take a moment to read over the problem. Once you have done so, you see that we're trying to find the maximum monthly revenue. And so we're going to be using the maximum or minimum formula. But first, in order to use that, we need to figure out what the equation is. So to figure out the equation, we look at the given information. So we're trying to find revenue. So instead of x or y, we'll have it be r equaling something. And we have two components that we are looking at. We're looking at the number of shoes, and then we're looking at the price of the shoes. As far as the number of shoes, we're starting with the base amount of 400 pairs and figuring out the other information based off that 400. So we're starting with 400, and we are told that for each $2 increase in price, 4 fewer pairs per month are sold. So 4 fewer pairs per month are sold. So if we let x be the pairs of shoes, the number of shoes, we're going to have 4x fewer per month. So we're subtracting 4 times x, 4 times the number of pairs of shoes. And then for the dollar amount, we are starting with a base amount of 60, and we're told that there's a $2 increase in price when we have 4 fewer pairs per month sold. So we are having $2 increase, so we're increasing $2 times the number of shoes, so 2 times x. So our function that we're going to have is going to be this. So I FOIL, I'm going to get 24,000 minus 240x plus 800x minus 8x squared. So if I rearrange this, I'm going to get negative 8x squared. Combine like terms, I'm going to get plus 500x plus 24,000. So now I can use my maximum formula where I have x equals negative b over 2a. And so b is going to be 500. It's the coefficient with the x. So it's going to be negative 500 because it's negative b over 2 times a. A is the coefficient with x squared, so it's 2 times negative 8. So x is going to equal 35. So looking back at the original question, we're asked to find how much per pair should the store charge to maximize the monthly revenue. So we're looking at the cost aspect. So right here, the 60 plus 2x, that's what we're going to be looking at. So since x is 35, I'm going to plug 35 into that portion of my function. So I'm going to get 60 plus 2 times x, which is going to be 70. So it's going to give me $130. And that should be my maximum amount per pair that I should charge to maximize the revenue.